Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how you can set up autosync with MetaTrader using the FTP method. Keep in mind, these steps will look similar on our mobile and desktop app, but we recommend that you use the desktop app so you can copy and paste the credentials more easily. All right, to start things off, go over to the Broker Connections tab over here, select MT4 or MT5 FTP, type in your portfolio name. I'll just go with my portfolio. You can also pick a color for easier differentiation, and you can change these settings later on. For the broker time zone, go over to your MetaTrader. There should be a Market Watch tab over here. And as you can see, the time is set to 11:18. So I'll just head over to the world clock over here. And as you can see, 11:18 is the time in Istanbul, Turkey. So I'll just type in Turkey over here to make sure that my trades get imported with the correct time zone. For the balance section, we don't import your deposits and withdrawals from MetaTrader, so you do need to add them manually. This is an optional step, but I'll just add one so you can see how it works. I'll type in my initial deposit. For the date, it doesn't need to be accurate. It just needs to be before your first trade. I'll just add one over here and save. Once you're ready, click the submit button. And now you've got the credentials you need to enter into MetaTrader. So head over to MetaTrader, make sure that you're logged into the account that you want to sync with, and then go over to the history tab over here. It's called account history in MT4. Right click and select the time frame that you want to import. It could be all history, last 3 months, last month, or even a custom period. Then go over to the tools set tab, click on options, FTP, and start copy and pasting from UltraTrader. Server goes here, login goes here, and finally password goes here. Select passive mode and enable automatic publishing of reports. Type in the account number of the account that you're logged into and the one that you want to sync. So mine is this one over here. And for the refresh rate, just click this button over here and select 5 minutes. Then click the test button. It should say report was successfully queued. Click OK and OK again. Head over to the journal tab and you should see a report sent to FTP.UltraTrader. That means you've done everything correctly. Then go over to UltraTrader. There are two options over here that you need to keep in mind: the deduct fees option and the sent account option. So if your account is a sent account, click this one over here. And for now, I'll just click on the deduct fees option. I'll let you know if you should select this in a bit. Click save, go to the portfolios menu and click on sync. And done. As you can see, my trades have been imported. I can see my balance over here, my finished trades P&L, and I can see my trades over here as well. So one thing you need to keep in mind is that if your realized P&L is different from the one you have in MetaTrader, so mine is the one over here, that's usually because of the fees. So then what you want to do is click on the portfolios menu again, click on the 3 dots and click edit, and then select or deselect this button over here until you get the correct P&L. If you run into any issues or unexpected errors while you're trying to perform the sync, just reach out to us via the customer support section over here. We're always happy to help. That's it. Happy trading.